How E-rate can help improve your wireless network. Topics to be covered today: what is E-rate? What are the wireless basics? What wireless expenses qualify? And how can PCS International, MDI Electric, and Datatel help you? And finally, how do I start? Firstly, what is E-rate? E-rate is a federal reimbursement program for getting internet access into the hands of students in the classroom. Things like Wi-Fi, access points, controllers, switches, routers, your internet service itself, and the service and the maintenance to keep all of those things running all qualify. You apply in the fall of this year in order to get reimbursement next year. And you must strictly follow the E-rate process in order to gain funding. The Coleman Group can be contracted to handle all of the paperwork and provide guidance on the E-rate process. Wireless basics. In order to have a good wireless connection in the classroom, you have to look at all the parts which make up the whole. First of all, you have your internet speed and reliability. If the internet speed is too small for the number of students using it, you're going to have outages. The connections, the firewalls, the routers, switches, wiring, all the things that connect the internet service all the way to the classroom. Your wireless controller, which is the main brain for the wireless system, which acts like a traffic cop for wireless. Your wireless access points themselves, the construction of your building, interference from other networks. Your neighbors could impact your wireless service. And the age of your equipment. And that could be the devices you're using to connect or your access points. What wireless expenses qualify? The labor and installation needed to get all of the devices in order to deliver wireless do qualify. There are some elements you're going to need though. Things like a wireless site survey, a wiring review, a network design analysis, in addition to the things that you might normally think of, like your wireless access points, the controller, main brain unit, switches, firewalls, routers, and so on. Don't forget, you can also get funding for the continued service and maintenance. How can PCS International, MDI Electric, and Datatel help? Well, PCS International has extensive IT maintenance, support, and guidance experience with schools. We can help you with your IT plan. We can create an inventory of the devices which will qualify for E-rate. And we can even perform IT services, either as a backup to your existing team or as a replacement for them. MDI Electric has extensive wiring experience with schools. Let them evaluate your wiring today and suggest what we need to take your classrooms to the future. Datatel can make sense out of your telecommunication bills, your phone and internet, for example, and help you get the most out of every dollar. How do I get started? Contact PCS International or visit our website, and we'll guide you through every step of the process. The process usually begins with a site survey, so we understand what you have. Then we evaluate your network design, if you've already got one, or we can help you create that. We then create a project for whatever we're implementing, and then an E-rates part listing so that you can submit it and maximize your reimbursement. Then we can help you with the implementation and the training of your existing team so that we can hand off the deployment to them. My name is Ron Searle with PCS International. We have extensive IT maintenance support experience within schools. MDI Electric is a partner that we've used for many years, and they have extensive wiring experience within schools. Datatel is our partner for all things telecommunication. They can help you analyze your phone and internet bills and get the most out of every dollar.